Happy to know that you are a wildlife enthusiast. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you liked it, will you please share with your friends? The Indian pitta is a passerine bird native to the Indian subcontinent. It inhabits scrub jungle, deciduous and dense evergreen forest. It breeds in the forests of the Himalayas, hills of central and western India, and migrates to other parts of the peninsula in winter. Although very colorful, it is usually shy and hidden in the undergrowth where it picks insects on the forest floor. It has a distinctive two-note whistling call, which is heard at dawn and dusk. It is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, as the population is considered large. I hope you enjoyed it. Huge thanks for being with me till the end. I will look forward to your next visit, pretty soon. Till then, be safe.